There are a couple of things that plays a major role for growing radishes successfully, especially in pots. And in this video, we will talk about these 5 secrets of growing radishes, so let's begin and don't forget to subscribe. The most important thing for growing radishes is to grow them in a right season. The good thing about radish plants is that they grow quickly, and we can sow their seeds either in starting springs or in early winters. Because in both the seasons, the temperature is very normal, that is perfect for the healthy germination of radish plants. But for growing radishes bigger, you should plant their seeds in the start of winters, so they can expand in the cool condition. Basically they likes a slightly cool environment to get bigger in size. Oppositely in summers, radish plant grow, but the radish bulbs will be left out very small in size. A little coolness of winter nights is very important for getting them on their full potential. Hope you got that. Some of the other winter vegetables are also added in the description box video. You can also grow them, must check them out. Another thing for growing healthy and flourishing radishes is to choose good quality seeds. It's not only about the germination rate or their freshness, but you should also choose a variety of your own choice. Radishes come in many shapes, taste, size and colors. For example, red cherry radish seeds grow small size, but juicy and tasteful radishes. Some others are also added over the screen, you can grow them as well. The varieties also have their matureness age, that is mentioned on the pack, so just take a look of that before sowing their seeds. Germination rate and the freshness of radish seeds is also important to check on, because it can cost you days of effort and money. Some good varieties are added in the description box, you can buy them, they are highly rated and fully authentic. Once you have good quality of seeds, now it comes to our next secret of growing radishes, that is soil selection. As radishes grow under the soil, so it's very important to make sure your soil is non-infective. Some soil mixes have pests and insects that can affect the growth and overall health of your radish plants. Drainage and looseness of soil mix is also important, because it helps in better root growth and ultimately getting you a massive yield. A compact mixture don't let the bulbs to expand and get bigger, so you have to make your mixture loose. To solve this whole problem, you can buy a ready-to-use soil mix for your radishes linked in the description box. Or you can also make a perfect mixture for your radishes at home. A complete guide on that is also in the description box, must check it out. Another big secret for growing radishes bigger is to water frequently. Once the radish plant settles in the soil's environment, they drinks a lot of moisture. So here you have to give them a plenty of water, but remember only with a well-draining mixture. Blockage of moisture in the soil can lead to yellow leaves and a stunted growth of radish plants. Such stressed and overwatered plants never grow good size radishes. Therefore soil drainage is more important, so get there and then water frequently. As radish bulbs have moisture in them, so to enhance their size, watering frequently can be a great way. Just make sure your soil mix is also drying out time to time. Once your radish plants are mature, you can fertilize them, so they can grow healthily. Nutrients are also very important to keep the plant growing. Deficiency of nutrients in the soil can cause such type of yellowing leaves, that is specifically due to the shortage of magnesium and nitrogen. A balanced fertilizer every 10 to 15 days can take your radish plants on an early harvest. But what fertilizer can be helpful? So you can use our winter vegetable fertilizer, that is homemade and works amazing to get you such results. So, here is the video to make and apply this liquid fertilizer, must check it out.